Alright, welcome back to the Blender 3 Docwalk. This document is on using the 3D cursor as your pivot point. So let's jump right in. Alright, so this one is pretty short and sweet. There's not too much to it. So we'll go up to our pivot point selector and go down to 3D cursor. Remember, you can also select your pivot point by hitting period on your keyboard, and it brings up a pie menu, and then from which you can either select the button or hit the shortcut on your number pad. So 3D cursor in this case would be 6. So I just hit 6, and that is now what is selected. So I'm going to go ahead and place my 3D cursor. Again, I select my 3D cursor with Shift Spacebar Spacebar. So Shift Spacebar to bring up the my tool menu, and then Spacebar again to select the 3D cursor, and then I'll just stick it right here is fine. Okay, and so now that is my pivot point. So when I hit R for rotate, it will rotate around my 3D cursor, and you can also, as always, you can restrain it to a certain axis or plane. So if I wanted to just, pivot or rotate around the x-axis, I would hit X, and now it just rotates around the x-axis. Y around the y-axis, right, and Z around the z-axis. And that's that's pretty much that. That is using the 3D cursor as your pivot point. So that is it for this document. That's using the 3D cursor as your pivot point. I will see you guys next time as we talk about the individual origins pivot point setting. As always, thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you know somebody that could, there goes the hammers. If you know somebody that would appreciate this, or find some value in these videos, go ahead and share it with them. I will see you guys in the next video.